Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Deep Clean with Me small bathroom edition. And these here are the products that we're going to be using in today's video. So, if you would like to see me do a deep clean on speed, please continue to watch. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please share this video with anyone that you feel may love this video. So, stay tuned. Here we go. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with the toilet, and we're gonna go ahead and flush the toilet because we're gonna be using the Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner, which it disinfects, so it kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. So we'll be using that. And the reason why we flush the toilet is because we want the toilet bowl to be wet, so therefore the products can work better. So now we're gonna go ahead and let that sit, and we're gonna go over to the tub, and I'm just using Comet Cleanser with Bleach, and we're gonna go ahead and use that. We're also gonna go ahead and clean off the knobs as well as the faucets in the tub with the Comet Cleanser, and then we're just gonna go ahead and rinse that off with water when we are done. So next I use the Lysol Power Foam Bathroom Cleaner, and I just kind of like sprayed it on the towels, and that also kills 99.9% of germs. So we just spray that on them and wipe that off. So go ahead and clean the backsplash of the shower, and then we just basically wipe down the things that were already in the shower and replacing them back in place. So we're gonna head back over to the toilet, and we're gonna grab our tool there, and we're just gonna go ahead and just start scrubbing in the inside of the toilet and just kind of like cleaning it out. And we're gonna go ahead and continue to scrub. We want everything out. We want to get up in between any crooks and crannies around the rim of the toilet and things like that. So then we're gonna go ahead and flush the toilet and just kind of just like go around it once again to make sure that it got everything out. And yeah. So then what I did was I went ahead and grabbed some wet ones and wiped down the toilet, and then I ran out, so I had to go and grab the Lysol lemon wipes to finish off the job. So I just basically cleaned off the whole toilet bowl and the toilet seat and the back of the toilet with the Lysol disinfected lemon wipes. I just love the way the Lysol lemon wipes smell. Oh my god, it will make any surface, because it's a multi-surface wipe, smell like lemons. It is so good, smells so fresh. I love it. So we just want to really make sure that we get the handle, because I just feel like that is crucial. You have so many people that touches it. It's a lot of germs and bacteria on there. So we just really want to make sure that we clean off the toilet handle, because people constantly touch it in order to flush the toilet. So here I'm just basically taking the paper wrapper from off of the toilet tissue, and I'm just like stacking it back up there. And then I actually went and grabbed some more, like you'll see towards the end of the video. And now we're gonna move over to the sink, and we are using the Comet Cleanser, and we're just gonna go all in the sink with the Comet Cleanser and pretty much just do the same thing that we did in the tub. And we're gonna go over the faucet and like the handle and things like that of the sink with whatever that's left over on the cloth from the Comet Cleanser. And then afterwards we're gonna go ahead and rinse. So I'm just wiping down the walls next to the sink. Just gonna wipe that down. The backsplash behind the sink in the bathroom. Make sure that's nice and clean. So then I just will begin to wipe down everything as I place them back on the sink where they were. Just gonna wipe down everything and place them back nice and neatly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see. please join me on my channel for more wonderful videos. And if you would like, you can just go ahead and share this video with anyone that you know that will love it. I will love it. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please become a member. We would love to have you. So here you'll just see me spray some Meyers multi-surface everyday cleaner in lemon to just kind of like wipe that out. So here we're going to go ahead and go in with the Clorox Scentiva disinfected mop wet cloths in Paradise Breeze, and this too kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. So I love this, and it smells like a tropical paradise. I love it. It's like having a pina colada in your bathroom. It smells so good. And all I did was pretty much just put that on the end of the Swiffer and just went in with it just like that. That's pretty much all I did. So here I'm just placing a mat back on the floor where you would step out to get out of the shower. I'm just trying to like hurry up and like fan it so it can dry. I don't like to put it back when it's like still wet or damp. And here I'm just taking the Windex and cleaning off the mirror. Clean all around the frame, on top of it, on the sides, everywhere. All right guys, so this is it. I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.